Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Hiberna Farm, and today, without further delay, we are cleaning off the deck and going to introduce you to a new family member that we brought into the house here a few days ago, and absolutely loving every moment of it. So today, recycling, cleaning off the deck, introducing a new family member, and just some tidbits as I come across some ideas to bring up to you. Anyway, if you're new, thanks for joining me. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and let's get into the content. Farm. Today I'm going to be cleaning up the deck, and yeah, because it's Sunday, so it's dump run day, and since I typically have been working away over the last number of months, I've got quite the little stockpile of recycling and garbage to take care of here. So hang out and let's get to work. Stay with me. So in Alberta, milk jugs, cardboard milk containers, pop cans, glass bottles, all can be returned for deposits that we put in. So usually we're in the neighborhood of $30 to $45 a month on returning pop cans and bottles. And with the amount of milk that we go through, kind of looking forward to getting goats next year, to see if this can set off any costs with the milk and the yogurt, ice cream, and even get into soaps and lip chaps and stuff like that I'm not familiar with, but looking forward to trying it out. So when I was working up northern Alberta, doing oil and gas, I would collect garbage bags every week full of water bottles that were going out. And I only collected what I got my hands on, so how many went to the landfills, to the dump? Like, it's just the amount of garbage that construction could, like, when they're, and I'm not just talking oil and gas, like I mean housing construction, commercial building construction, and then you get into these heavy duty oil and gas facilities, the refineries. Like the amount of garbage that comes out of that could be utilized for other stuff. Like, I mean, I wouldn't mind as a homesteader having the opportunity to go out to one of those sites and just go through their garbage. I mean, there's going to be some huge pallets in there, you know, so you're going to get some big 4x4 untreated posts up to 8 feet long, maybe even bigger. So there's going to be plywood, chipboard. There's going to be stainless steel tubing from my background. And that, man, the things you could do with stainless steel tubing, like that stuff is pressure rated to like 10,000 pounds. Like it's heavy duty. Pair of scissors, please. I don't feel like it today. Thank you. What? Hey, peanut butter, you're trying to steal my thunder. Trying to steal my thunder. And this is our newest addition. This is Ginger. Hey, Ginger, say hello to everybody. Hi. Ruff, ruff. Hey, say hi. Say hi. She's a Miki, M-I-K-I. And she'll get to about 7 pounds on the bigger side of things. She might even get, so 5 to 7 pounds is what we're expecting. And she's like a family pet, but kind of like an emotional support animal for myself. And as you guys hang around, I'll open up more about that. And why I guess I'm looking at doing some homesteading. And it's to kind of get away from from the culture that is, I guess, what the world is, and I'm just trying to take a step back and really just kind of work with nature and yeah, get to know animals and get familiar with growing and playing with my green thumb. Always had one, farm raised, so it's yeah. So this is Ginger. Got 2 boxes. Well, last thing's got to go in here are a couple of monitors. I've got a huge electronics background, and I've got a bit of a collection, and I'm cleaning it up for my wife. For older electronics, they don't really work all that great anymore. So now it's just a matter of running this stuff to the dump. I'm just going to go inside and see if there's anything else that I need to take with me. So we just had a moment of funny. I'm in the vehicle leaving the yard, and I hear this screaming behind me. And I look out the window here, and my eldest daughter is running beside the truck, yelling at me to stop because I have left my camera gear on the box of the truck. That would have been great driving down the highway, I'm telling you. So funny. And look who came with me. Yeah, need a new boom mic. It's not working for... This is a boom mic that I got for an iPhone 6, and it doesn't quite work for the iPhone 8 Plus. It doesn't sit right. Say hi, Ginger. Hi. Hi. Day 3 with the puppy. I'm loving it. Every minute of it. Teaching her some new routines. Dump day with Daddy. Okay, just sit down. Whoa! The camera's going for a ride too. I'll just pause here because the lens has moved again. Now, oh, shaky. Now I got the household to get rid of here. I gotta close that door. Lucky for us, the transfer site for the dump is like a 3-minute jaunt from our house. Hold on there, puppy. She's so small I can't even see her behind my arm. Reverse. Back into there. Gotta hurt the old truck. I'll leave room for me old Bart, me old arse. Don't move. she jumped into the back seat. Hey puppy, what are you doing back there? Roof, roof, roof. And I gotta stop eating out all this garbage. You gonna come back up front or what? Alright. Oh, and I still haven't closed the door. Okay, don't move. Here I am. What are you doing? What are you doing? Here. Can you sit there? Sit. 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 I know you are. Sit. It's okay. Sit. We got sit, but we haven't got stay. Alright, back home we go. So, on my way back from the dump, I didn't have this all the way folded out. I had it one back and it was just sitting there. I don't know if I was going too fast or if the road was just too rough, but it ended up flipping shut. And there's a hinge right here, one on either side, and it broke. I bet you this thing isn't a month old yet. I'm gonna have to contact the guys that manufacture this out of Edmonton, Alberta, and see if I can't get some parts to repair it. See what kind of warranty there is. So that seriously sucks. But dump run's done. Should make the dear wife very joyful that she has her deck back now. So tomorrow I'm going to be putting up some eaves trough and getting the deck sealed so it doesn't rain in here anymore. So until then, you guys have a great, blessed day.